Hi everyone! Nandito kami ngayon sa Yorkdale Shopping Mall kung saan may spaceship patungong North Pole. Charing. Actually, hindi ito yung pinunta namin dito. Ang pinunta namin is to buy some gifts for their teachers. It's their last day of school tomorrow before my Christmas break. After naming namili ng gifts, nadaanan namin to. So why not experience din namin. Paka-excited ng batang ire. Actually, alam kong meron na silang ganitong gimmick last 2 weeks pa, kaso hindi ko sila kasama noon. Ito si Nathan, excited na siya at sumisingit pa siya sa pilahan. Full na sila. Need nila ng online reservation prior the day na pupunta kayo. And then, wala, tinry lang namin kung pwede pang mag-walk-in. So, sabi naman ng girl, pwede naman until 8 p.m. Kaso cash na lang yung tinatanggap nila. So, ang saya-saya nila, nakasingit pa kami, and ayan, nag-enjoy na kami. Ini-imagine ko yung movie ng Red One, yung kay The Rock, yung kay Dwayne Johnson. So, habang nasa loob ako, talagang yun ang nai-imagine ko. Sabi ko, feeling ko part ako ng movie na yun. Charot. Yung binayaran pala namin for this one, $50 kami na lahat yun. May kasamang hard copy na picture, isang copy lang. If you want another copy of the picture or another posing with Santa, $10 yun. And ito na ang mahiwagang pinto. Tada! Ayan na si Santa. O diba, kasing katawan niya lang din yung nandun sa Red One na Santa Claus. Nag-gym na yung mga Santa Claus ngayon, hindi na sila mataba, in fairness. Picture taking with Santa Claus na, ayan, marami namang take yung gagawin nila and then papapiliin ka nila kung ano yung gusto mong ipaprint. At yan, niloloko pa kami. Yan daw yung magic door pabalik ng mall. Charis. Pero talagang mall na yan talaga. Kabilaan lang yung door nila. Hindi naman talaga kami umakyat ng ibang level. Ito na yung picture na pinaprint namin and meron pa kaming isang pinaprint, yung sila lang dalawa. So, magre-recap tayo ngayon. So, this is located inside Yorkdale Shopping Mall. $50 for 2 kids and 2 adults. For extra picture, it's $10. They accept walk-in until 8 p.m. but it's not guaranteed though. So, better pa-reserve na lang kayo online. Ayun lang. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!